Yes, good morning. Well, turning off and going outside means getting rid of these and just being out in nature. So there are so many kids that deal with anxiety, depression, obesity, and a whole list of chronic diseases. And that's why doctors are actually now writing out prescriptions to get these kids just to be outside. So national organization this is called Park RX. It was started by a pediatrician in Washington, D.C. a couple of years ago. Doctors who register through the nonprofit and use this method are actually prescribing specific parks to patients and telling them to do specific activities. Just like your physician may write you a prescription for medication and ask that you take a specific amount, a given number of times a day, doctors are prescribing nature spots and asking that patients do an activity in them for a specific duration, a given amount of times a day or week.
Time in nature has been shown to decrease anxiety, improve mood, and in children's behavior and even sleep. A lot of children who are diagnosed with ADHD, what they actually have is what's called NDD, or nature deficit disorder. And so a lot of these children can be well managed without medications if they get enough nature time.
Park RX is a collaboration between parks and healthcare providers, and Washington State Parks is working with a number of doctors in the Seattle area. Dr. Karosh says this program is also an incentive to improve parks and make them safe. She knows the founder, Dr. Robert Czar, pretty well and has been with Park RX ever since it started. So she also says that some families living in inner cities may not feel as comfortable letting their kids either just go outside or go to specific parks in their areas because they're not safe, and that's where these doctors are stepping in and prescribing specific parks that are great for patients. So if you want to learn more about Park RX, I've tweeted out something. You can find me on Twitter by searching at Kiara Elfallen TV. I'm live here in Monroe. Kiara Elfallen, King 5 News.